The cost of operating all types of diesel engines keeps going up. Reduced fuel economy, injectors fouling, costly engine repairs, and equipment downtime, all of them contribute to the problem. Greater savings in fuel consumption, as well as top operating efficiency of diesel engines, depend on a variety of factors. One of the main ones is the operating precision of the injectors. An effective atomization of the fuel is critical, and that requires that the injectors be free of water. Deposits may accumulate in the small openings of the injectors, causing a poor pulverization and diminished performance. The power loss and the increase in fuel consumption are the first obvious symptoms. If the problem gets worse, it may lead to costly repairs and downtime for the engine. The multifunctional additive series Dieselfix for diesel engines has been developed to keep injectors clean. This technology has been verified with success in solving the problems of diesel engines at the present time. The additive Dieselfix offers significant improvements in operating efficiency and profit margins. The improvements in the efficient utilization of the fuel can result in a substantial saving of the same. Top engine performance and minimal formation of harmful deposits can prolong the time between engine overhauls. An efficient fuel injection ensures an easy start and top performance during warm-up. The better lubricity of the fuel protects the pump and minimizes the effects of metal rubbing against metal within the same injectors. Rust inhibitors protect fuel tanks, plumbing, pumps, and injectors. The additive's formula ensures good stability during fuel storage, avoids water haulage and damage at high temperatures. The savings and the fuel cost are just one small factor in the increase of your earnings. By reducing maintenance costs and increasing the active time of the machines, earnings will increase considerably. What makes this new additive different? The new formula is based on technology that has been verified in real field tests. The high-performance Dieselfix was tested in one of the best testing programs conducted in recent years. In the majority of the operations by fleets of trucks, fuel economy is measured during a set length of time by dividing the mileage traveled into fuel consumed. This calculation sometimes tends to generate results that are misleading because it does not take into consideration ample variables, such as driving schedule, weather conditions, loads hauled, drivers' differences, and varying fuel quality. And for these reasons, it's impossible to measure precisely the operating efficiency of the additive. As an answer to the mentioned factors, an additive test was developed that takes into account real operating conditions. Its greatest advantage was the precision with which the engine efficiency was measured under controlled conditions. The operating variables that arbitrarily affect the engine's performance were eliminated in this test, thus providing a sure measurement of key operation parameters. This test was one of the most convincing in its category. The test followed a fleet of 33 heavy-duty trucks that accumulated 3.5 million miles during a period of 18 months. The trucks were divided in various teams, each one of them utilizing a different fuel during the 18-month test. The total mileage was accumulated on highways in actual service. The engine revolutions per minute, rotation stress, fuel consumption, and smoke generated by each truck was measured under normal speed conditions of the engine at fixed miles intervals. This test gave precise data about the most important factors to evaluate the engine performance, brake horsepower, and fuel consumption. To do so, a portable dynamometer was utilized, allowing a precise measurement of motor power and fuel consumption. This dynamometer was installed between the gears box and the first differential gear connected to the drive shaft. A digital console connected to the dynamometer showed the data being recorded. Temperature, pressure, and other parameters were measured to standardize the results. Any factor that could adversely affect the results, such as ignition or shutdown of the engine's cooling fan clutch, was removed. The results showed a significant improvement in the efficiency of engines using the high-performance package Dieselfix. Here it is shown how a diesel fuel treated with the package Dieselfix reached an average improvement of 5.7% with respect to the basic fuel. The results of the dynamometer test were confirmed by savings in tons, kilometers, and actual liters, according to the operator's data. The cost of the additive Dieselfix is modest, but its contribution to the improvement of the operating efficiency is significant. For example, based on the test results, a small fleet of 25 trucks, each traveling 100,000 miles per year, can achieve annual savings in fuel of approximately $25,000. The additives of the series Dieselfix increase the operational efficiency and consequently the operators of fleet trucks, construction, lumber, mining machines, and many other machines with diesel engines. The results of these tests confirm the advantages of this additive in light trucks and automobiles with diesel engines. This means that the family of additives Dieselfix offers real advantages. It further means that we provide the efficiency and performance required by the industry. Now more than ever, it means that the additives Dieselfix bring the advantages that you were looking for.